Welcome back. I hope you already brainstormed your wish and set some goals. Now it's time to start doing the right thing and doing it consistently. Let me tell you a story. No, not the rabbit and turtle story you see in the video. You already knew it, I know. This is a real incident from my own life. That time I did a regular 9 to 5 job and lived with three other friends in a small apartment. We all worked in different places, but we all have a common problem, and that was a very nasty food habit. Mostly late night dinner, no breakfast at all, and lunch with Chinese or fast food. The result was obvious. All of a sudden, we noticed that we all have a fatty, ugly tummy growing day by day. It was, a very bad feeling. So, we set a plan and started doing exercise together in the morning. Oh my gosh, it's too much. After a week, one friend quit and went back to his normal routine. Within the next 1 to 2 weeks, I and another friend started showing excuses and we quit too. After a few days, we got separated. One of my friend's mother died, so he left the room. One got a job in another company far from that area we lived in. I had some family issue to solve. One got married. So we were our own. Life has different paths. Anyway, after a few months, we met all at a get together party. You know what we found? The last friend has lost his weight up to 5 kilo. Damn 5 kilo. Whether we all gained 3 to 4 kilo on average. We got surprised, asked him, "How would you do that, man?" He answered, "Why not? Still, I do the exercise daily." This is the key to success: consistency. If you set an action, do it regularly, no matter what happens in your surroundings. Keep yourself safe from "I will do it tomorrow" syndrome. Otherwise, you will never reach your target. Now, it's time to use this knowledge in the Upwork business. I will show you practical ways, steps by steps. What you need is to practice those daily. No excuses, no "I will do it tomorrow" syndrome. Okay? Let's start with a 30-second recap of what we have already learned. You now know that you need a strong wish first to be a successful Upwork freelancer. Though only your wish can't give you success. But this is where you need to start. And then you need to set a time and the commitment to sacrifice. It will convert your wish to a reachable goal. And once you set the goal, you must have to start working and you must do it consistently. This will lead you to success for sure. Now you understand that setting goals and doing consistent work are the key factors. But how can we apply this knowledge in your Upwork business? Well, let's assume you are an employee. You do a regular 9 to 5 job and you want to earn some extra money. You are told that your friend's friend earning better than a 9 to 5 job from Upwork. It sounds amazing to you. So you joined Upwork and didn't hit the first job in the first 2 months. You are getting frustrated. What will you do now? Go back to the first principle. It was setting goals rather than making wish. So ask yourself the three questions. What do I wish to achieve? How much time I will take to make my wish a reality? What can I sacrifice so that I can achieve my wish within the time period I set? Find any answers? Okay? Let me help you. The answers may be like this. For the first questions, you may answer, "I want to get my first job." So, this is what you wish to achieve, right? For the second question, the answer may be, "I want to get my first job within 2 weeks from today." So, here you add up time with your wish statement. And finally, for the third questions, you may answer like, uh, I will dedicate 2 productive hours daily so that I can get my first job within 2 weeks from today. So finally you have a goal now. Now here is a problem you may ask. How can I get 2 hours daily? I do a regular 9 to 5 job. I don't have the time, man. Well, let's do the math. Health is the most important thing you need to care about. So 2 hours for exercise and taking good meals. You need a good rest. So 7 hours for sleeping. You have a regular job, right? Let's take 9 hours including tiffin and traveling. Family and friends matters. Keep 1 hour for your family, 1 hour for social media, Facebook, YouTube, whatever you want. 1 hour for Netflix or your favorite TV show. Including all of this, you spend 21 hours of a day. Still, you feel you don't have 2 hours to spend daily? Well, now you get a clear vision of your goal. You now need to make a 2-level action steps. The level 1 is for making your position strong and another level is to maintain and secure the position. This part is time taking. I want you to hold your breath here. No rush. Quicker you try, it will get more overwhelmed. Try to find out the reasons why you are not getting the job and list it all one by one. Check through your profile. Is it good enough? Does your profile title contain any keyword? Does your profile picture show that you are a professional? Does your skill set have enough demands in the market? Think properly and find out maximum possible reasons for your failure. Then make a table like you see on the screen. Set a deadline for each reason and start fixing it. You may fail to do some task in the first place. For example, you may fail to make a portfolio item within 21st Jan. In that case, write it again and set another deadline for the task. You can apply this method for any reason you find that causes you a failure. In the beginning, it is difficult to do, little boring, but with practice, it will be easier. Anyway, we'll discuss these techniques more deeply later in this course. Please download the Making Position Action Sheet and try to find out your own problems and make a list to fix them. Once you make your position strong, you need to maintain it so that it gets secure for a long time. To do this, you should divide your task into 3 parts. One you need to do on a daily basis, one you need to do once in a week, and one you need to do once in a month. For example, you may add a portfolio item once a week, so it will be on your weekly list. You may communicate with your clients every month, so put it on your monthly list. You can practice proposal writing daily, so put it on your daily list. Now, once you set your actions for daily, weekly and monthly basis, then make another tracker for maintaining it. You may follow the style you see on the screen. For you, I have already made the tracker and the list. Just download the Secure Position Action List and Secure Position Weekly Tracker and use it. I know this section is not covering every step to become a successful freelancer, but I believe you at least get an idea of where to start. So, before going to the next section, which is actually the core part of the entire course, I encourage you to do some trial and error method of what you have learned from this section. This is obvious that you will fail. Not every time, but sometimes definitely. But the practice will drag you out from your comfort zone and will help you understand the core section of this course very easily. That's all for this lesson. So see you in the next section. Thank you for watching this video.